In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default search engine to Perplexity in Arc browser. This process is straightforward and we'll walk through each step to ensure you have no trouble following along. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Arc browser. If it's your first time using Arc, you'll notice it has a sleek and minimal interface designed for ease and speed. Once the browser is open, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen, where you'll see the Arc icon. Click on it. This will open a menu that gives you access to various settings and features. Next, from the menu that appears, you'll want to click on Settings. This section is essentially the control center for your browser preferences and configurations, allowing you to customize your browsing experience to your needs. Now, within the Settings menu, look for the option that says Your Profile. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can adjust various personal settings related to your profile. Amongst the options available, there's one for search engine. This option allows you to specify which search service you'd prefer to use whenever you're making inquiries directly from the address bar. Here, you'll find a list of different search engines you can choose from. Your task is to select Perplexity from this list. Perplexity is a unique search engine known for its sophisticated artificial intelligence capabilities. By setting it as your default, you'll be enhancing your ability to explore and gather information with the help of advanced algorithms designed to provide more precise results. With that done, it's time to test if everything is set up correctly. Go ahead and open a new tab in Arc. Feel free to get creative with a prompt you'd like to search. For instance, you might type in 10 simple habits that improve your life in 30 days. This is just a suggestion, but it's a great example of how Perplexity can provide insightful and tailored information quickly and effectively. Once you've entered your query, hit Enter on your keyboard. What you'll notice now is that Perplexity is actively handling your search, leveraging its AI-driven technology to bring you a refined and thoughtful list of results. You should see the transition within the tab, indicating that Perplexity is indeed your chosen search engine. That wraps up the process. You've successfully configured your Arc browser to use Perplexity as your search engine, opening doors to a more intelligent browsing experience. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to explore other settings and see how else you can tailor Arc to suit your browsing habits. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.